experiment number 4, subject computer application in pharmacy. In this experiment, we are going to learn how to create a static website. In a previous experiment, that is experiment number 3, in that experiment we learned what is the HTML. The HTML is the hypertext markup language. This language is used to create web pages. For that, we are using different HTML tags which is already predefined. We just have to use that tag as per our requirement. So, in a previous website, here the different tag is listed in a previous website, that is the HTML tags. Doctype HTML, that is defined for the doctype document. HTML is defined and HTML document. Head is defined. Information about the document. Title tag is defined the title for the document. Then body tag defines the document's body. H1 to H6 tag is defined for the HTML heading. Again, P tab is defined for the paragraph. BR tab is defined for the break the line. HR tag is defined for the this tag is defined for the define a comment in a HTML document. There is a many tags available of the HTML language. For an example, some formatting tags. After that, some table tags also use. Some image tag. If you want to insert an image in your website, so you can use this predefined HTML tags to insert the image, map and area. After that, link tag. If you want to give the link into your website, so you can use this link tag, a link, and navigation tag, that is NAV tag. After that, if you want to define a table into your website, you can use table tags, and these are different table tags for the define a table structure, that is a table for table. Then caption for define table caption. Then TH for the header of cell. Then TR for the row in table, and TD for the cell in table. Okay. So these are the table tags. As per this, in a HTML document, there is a different kind of tags, or we said predefined tags is already there for the HTML language. Just we have to use that tag as per our or web developers requirement. Okay. Now in experiment number 4, we are going to see how to develop a simple HTML code, how to write a simple HTML code, and how to develop a simple static website. So, what is a static website? To code is a fixed for each page, so the information contained in the page does not change and it looks like a printed page. So, static website is the fixed page. We cannot change into that website, that is the static website. There is a two types of website. One is the static website and second one is the dynamic website. Now, static website is the fixed page which a user cannot change into that website, but in a dynamic website, user can change into that website. User can upload their own things into the website. So, example of dynamic website is the Facebook page or a Instagram page. That in a Facebook or Instagram page, user can upload their own things into the website and that will be saved into the website. So Facebook and Instagram pages are the Example of dynamic website, user can change that website or upload their things into the website. But static website is just fixed website, user cannot change into that website. Example of static website is our college website, that is the www.com Satara Pharmacy, www.satarapharmacy.com. So we can only read the information from that website, but user cannot change that website. So this is the example of static website. After that, how to create the website. So for that, you have to open the notepad. For that, right click on your desktop. This window will appear for you. Then choose the new option and choose the text document. After, you have to open this document. First name of text document name is the new text document, that is the notepad document. This type of window you will see into your desktop. After that, you have to how to create a HTML document. So we already know that HTML have a predefined code into that HTML language. So we just have to use that code as per our requirements. So first, we are going to open the notepad. Right click on your desktop, choose new option, choose notepad. Then this window will appear on your computer text box. After that, first, when you creating any HTML document, you have to mention doc type HTML. So what doc type HTML, this is for define, this is the HTML document. After that, you have to mention again HTML. Again, you have to mention this is the HTML document. After that, there is a head tag. This is for the define the heading of your website. Also there is a one more tag, that is the body tag. So whatever code you write into the HTML document, that will be inserted into body tag. Okay, whatever code you have to write in a HTML document, that code will be inserted under the body tag. Then after that, you have to give the title of your web page. So use the title tag, my website. Title of your website is my website. See, if you are open any tag in an HTML document, you have to close that tag. Once your work is finished, then you have to close that tag. For closing the tag, you have to write the tag into the triangular bracket. After that, give the slash, that is upward to downward slash, and write the tag name. This is calling the closing the tag. So once you finish the working with any tag, you have to close that tag as per like this. So I give the title of my website, that is the my website, and the title tag is finished here, so I close the title tag. After that, heading also close here, so it gives, we can close the head tag. So heading is closed here, but the body tag is still open, because whatever code we are going to write into this page, that will be right under the body tag, and HTML tag is also open. So first I use the simple tag, that is the H1 tag. H1 tag is for the display the heading of website. So I give the heading, that is this is my website. This is my website. So my heading is finished here. So again I close the H1 tag. Again I instruct to the computer that close the H1 tag. So this is the simple program how to write the HTML document. So we finish here. Then we have to close the body tag because code is finished here. So close the body tag. After that, close the HTML tag. We open at the starting of the program, that is HTML tag / HTML. So we close the HTML tag. HTML. Okay. Now this is the notepad document, not a web page. Okay. So you have to convert this notepad into the web page. So what you are going to do for that? This is the simple process. Just go on the file option. Choose save as option. After that this window will appear to you. Then you have to change the file name. New text document, instead of that I write demo1. And for converting this notepad into the web page document, you have to mention that. So extension of HTML document is .html. So save this document as the .html file. This dot is compulsory to you because this is the link between two pages, or it is the to call option. Dot is for the to call option. So notepad will now converted into the web pages, or notepad will save as a web page document or a web HTML document. So demo1.html and click for the save option. So see this, your new text document name is changed now and it will come converted into the demo1.notepad. This is the notepad document. You have to close this document. After that you can see this logo on your desktop, that is this is the demo1, same demo1. This logo indicates demo1 document is converted into the web pages. Okay, once you have to open this. Okay, so see, whatever you write into the notepad, it will be displayed as a web pages. So this is the heading that will display, that is the my website under the title tag, and after that you write the code in the H1 tag. This is the my website, this is the heading of your website. So this is display like this. So this is a simple HTML document. Once then you close the HTML document. After that, if you want to reopen your text document, just click on the demo option, right click on the demo option or your HTML document, then open with option, choose the notepad. See, your HTML code will open as it is. So you can edit this code again, close the, go to the save option, save this document. We already saved this document as a name of demo1.html. So just file and click on the save option. These changes will be updated into your web pages. So this video is for how to create a simple HTML document. In next video, we can use more HTML tags and see the difference and how to create a website.